Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Thursday morning. Just a few days before Christmas. It's coming up quick. So I've delayed my shopping, but it's going to get done. Matter of fact, I'm doing some, as Robin calls it, reckon orders today on some certain items like cream. Because I am going to be doing my creme brulee for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day dinner dessert. Okay, let's go over yesterday. Apple crumb cake. It looked so beautiful coming out of the oven. It looked stunning. If you haven't seen the pictures, they're there. Let it cool. Ooh, the center sank. Frustration on my part. As you know, I am not a baker. So there's been a couple theories on what happened to the cake, and it's all scientific. Again, baking is science. Okay, now I have a treat for you, because I don't get to do this very often. There it is. There's the apple crumb cake. And if you look, just the center middle cratered. As you can see, we have eaten it. It is very tasty. It's very nice. It's very sweet. The cinnamon from the local spicery in Marysville, California is a beautiful addition. So I'm back to the drawing board. Like I said, there's a couple theories on what happened. And if you have a theory, let me know. Let me know in the comments. So let's get to what I'm doing tonight. Okay. Ooh. Today I am doing, what's the recipe say? Mediterranean chicken and rice. I'll start on this end. There's spinach, olive oil, chicken stock. There's the chicken thighs, onion, garlic, lemons, kosher salt, fresh ground black pepper, a can of petite diced tomatoes, feta cheese, of course, rice, parsley. Let's go over the spices that are in this. Turmeric, paprika, which mine is from India. Cumin, heavy on the coriander. And again, today, local spiceries, cinnamon, just a touch. Very Mediterranean spices, very Mediterranean. I have not played with this recipe. Actually, it looks really good. By the way, I will post up the apple crumb cake recipe today. And one of you bakers will make it wonderful and it won't fall. So, but tonight I'm doing this Mediterranean chicken and rice. It's a one pot or one pan meal, which I guess I'm famous for. Some people have accused me of it, of doing a lot of them, which I do. They're easy, they're quick, and only one pan. So, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.